Welcome to a journey into the miniature world of nature's most venomous and dangerous small creatures, where size is no measure of power. From insects to arachnids, we'll explore the potent venoms, painful stings, and ingenious defenses that make these tiny terrors a force to be reckoned with. Our countdown begins with the mosquito, Earth's deadliest animal, not for its bite, but for the diseases it spreads. Each blood meal can transmit malaria, dengue, Zika, and more, causing hundreds of thousands of deaths annually. The mosquito's saliva, filled with anticoagulants, is the delivery system for these pathogens. Its adaptability and sheer numbers make it a relentless threat to human health. The mosquito is a silent killer, its danger measured in the global toll of disease and death. Next, we encounter the Asian giant hornet, scientifically known as Vespa mandarinia, a creature that commands fear and fascination in equal measure. With its striking orange head, massive mandibles, and a body that can reach up to 2 inches in length, it is the largest hornet species in the world. Its sheer size alone is enough to intimidate, but there's much more to this insect than meets the eye. The Asian giant hornet wields a powerful weapon, its stinger, which delivers a potent, flesh-dissolving venom. This toxin causes excruciating pain, swelling, and in some cases can even trigger severe allergic reactions in humans. When these hornets attack in swarms, their combined venom can be fatal, making them one of the most dangerous insects to encounter in the wild. These hornets are infamous for their devastating raids on honeybee colonies. In a matter of hours, a small group can decimate an entire hive, decapitating bees with their powerful jaws and carrying off the bodies to feed their young. Their efficiency and brutality have earned them the nickname murder hornets. Yet, nature has its own checks and balances. Japanese honeybees, having coexisted with these hornets for centuries, have evolved a remarkable defense. They swarm the intruder, forming a tight ball and vibrating their bodies to generate intense heat, effectively cooking the hornet alive. Unfortunately, European honeybees, lacking this adaptation, are left defenseless. The Asian giant hornet is not just a threat to bees. As a formidable predator, it hunts a variety of insects and plays a complex role in its native ecosystem. However, as it spreads to new regions, it poses a growing concern for local wildlife and agriculture. Its impact on both humans and ecosystems is profound. Beekeepers must take extra precautions, donning thick protective suits and reinforcing hives, while the loss of pollinators threatens crops and biodiversity. So beware the so-called murder hornet, a true giant among tiny terrors and a reminder of the delicate balance between predator and prey in the natural world. The oriental wasp, Vespa orientalis, thrives in harsh climates and defends its underground nests with aggression. Its sting delivers burning pain and potent venom, sometimes triggering life-threatening allergic reactions. Remarkably, it harnesses solar energy through pigments in its body, a biological solar cell powering its activity. The oriental wasp is a master of adaptation and defense, making it a significant threat in its range. On the ground, harvester ants, especially Pogonomyrmex, wield some of the most toxic insect venom known. A single sting is agonizing, a dozen can kill a small mammal. Their venom, more potent than a cobra's, inflicts burning pain and deters predators. When threatened, thousands swarm in coordinated defense, overwhelming intruders with relentless stings. The pain is unforgettable, ranking high on the Schmidt Sting Pain Index. Harvester ants are a testament to the power of collective defense and chemical warfare. In the desert, even the smallest can command respect. Yellow jackets are aggressive wasps, capable of multiple rapid stings. Their venom causes intense pain and, for some, life-threatening allergic reactions. Disturb a hidden nest, and you may face a relentless swarm. Their persistence and territoriality make them a common but dangerous presence. Give yellow jackets a wide berth. They're small, but their defense is mighty. The black widow spider, with its iconic red hourglass, wields venom far more potent than a rattlesnake's. Its neurotoxin causes severe muscle cramps, pain, and, in rare cases, life-threatening symptoms. Bites are accidental. These shy spiders strike only in self-defense. Antivenom has reduced fatalities, but the agony of a bite is legendary. The black widow is a symbol of arachnid power. Small, reclusive, and dangerously effective. Respect its space and you'll likely avoid its wrath. The Indian red scorpion is one of the world's deadliest arachnids, its sting a medical emergency. Its venom triggers a sympathetic storm, causing heart complications and, without treatment, can be fatal, especially for children. Most stings occur at night, often in rural homes. Limited access to antivenom in remote areas makes this scorpion a major public health threat. Small and unassuming, the Indian red scorpion's sting is a silent danger in the night. The assassin caterpillar, Lenomia, hides lethal power in its spiny camouflage. Contact with its bristles releases a venom that disrupts blood clotting, causing internal bleeding and, in severe cases, death. Multiple contacts can be fatal, earning it a grim reputation in South America. Anti-venom has saved lives, but accidental encounters remain a serious risk. This caterpillar is a master of passive defense, beautiful, deadly, and nearly invisible. In the rainforest, danger can be as soft as a touch. Blister beetles defend themselves with cantharidin, a chemical that causes severe skin burns and blisters on contact. Ingesting even small amounts is highly toxic, historically misused as Spanish fly with deadly results. Livestock are at risk when beetles contaminate hay, leading to poisoning. Their larvae prey on bee or grasshopper eggs, while adults feed on plants. The blister beetle's chemical arsenal is a vivid reminder. Sometimes the most dangerous weapon is hidden in plain sight. Handle with care, or better yet, not at all. The tsetse fly, a small but formidable insect, is Africa's notorious vector for sleeping sickness, a disease that devastates not only individuals, but entire communities and their livestock. Found across vast stretches of sub-Saharan Africa, this fly has shaped the history and development of the continent, influencing where people can safely live and farm. Its presence is a constant threat, lurking in the shade of trees and near water sources, waiting for its next victim. With a single bite, the tsetse fly transmits trypanosomes, microscopic parasites that invade the bloodstream and nervous system. These parasites cause African trypanosomiasis or sleeping sickness, a disease marked by fever, headaches, confusion, and severe sleep disturbances. If left untreated, the infection can progress to neurological damage, coma, and ultimately, death. The symptoms are insidious, often mistaken for other illnesses, making early detection and treatment a challenge. The tsetse fly is not just a carrier, but a biological incubator. Inside its body, the trypanosome parasite undergoes crucial stages of development before it can infect humans or animals. This unique relationship between fly and parasite is essential to the disease's life cycle, making the tsetse fly an irreplaceable link in the chain of transmission. Across Africa, scientists and local communities are working tirelessly to control tsetse populations. They set traps, clear vegetation, and use innovative techniques to reduce the fly's numbers, yet the challenge remains immense. The tsetse fly is resilient, adapting to new environments and evading many traditional control methods. Eradicating it requires coordinated efforts, resources, and ongoing vigilance. The impact of the tsetse fly is measured not in venom or aggression, but in the silent suffering it spreads across a continent. Its reach extends from remote villages to bustling towns, affecting millions of people and countless animals. The economic toll is staggering, as livestock losses and human illness hinder development and prosperity. Sometimes the deadliest bite is the one you never feel, a quiet menace that changes lives forever, hidden in the hum of the African wilderness. The deathstalker scorpion, pale and unassuming, delivers one of the most potent neurotoxic venoms in the world. Its sting causes excruciating pain, convulsions, and in vulnerable individuals can be fatal without swift antivenom. Despite its danger, the deathstalker is shy, stinging only when threatened. Remarkably, its venom contains chlorotoxin, a compound now being studied for targeting cancer cells. The deathstalker embodies nature's duality, a source of both peril and hope. In the desert, every encounter is a reminder of the fine line between danger and discovery. Handle with extreme caution. The Brazilian wandering spider, known scientifically as Phonutria, is not just any spider, it's one of the most feared arachnids on the planet. This spider is an aggressive hunter, renowned for its speed and unpredictable behavior. Unlike many spiders that wait patiently in webs, the Brazilian wandering spider actively roams the forest floor at night, searching for prey. Its name comes from this wandering nature, making it a true nomad of the rainforest. Armed with potent venom, it can paralyze and even kill small animals in seconds. Its fangs are large and powerful, capable of piercing through tough exoskeletons and even human skin with ease. The neurotoxins in its venom are among the most potent found in any spider, causing not only intense burning pain but also rapid muscle paralysis. In severe cases, the venom can disrupt the nervous system so profoundly that it leads to respiratory failure, making a bite potentially life-threatening without prompt medical attention. One of the most notorious and unusual effects of its bite is priapism, a prolonged and painful erection in men. While this bizarre side effect has drawn scientific curiosity, it is also extremely uncomfortable and can require emergency treatment. What makes the Brazilian wandering spider especially dangerous to humans is its tendency to hide in unexpected places. It often seeks shelter in homes, shoes, clothing, and even bunches of bananas, leading to its nickname, the banana spider. Encounters can happen anywhere, from deep in the jungle to the produce aisle of a grocery store. Thanks to the development of anti-venom and increased awareness, fatalities from its bite have become rare. However, its reputation as the world's most dangerous spider continues to spark fear and fascination worldwide. As a nocturnal predator, the Brazilian wandering spider is most active after dark, silently stalking its prey through the undergrowth. Its unpredictable movements and deadly bite make it a true menace of the night. Scientists continue to study this spider, not only to develop better treatments for its bite, but also to unlock the secrets of its powerful venom, which may hold keys to new medicines. Whether deep in the dense Brazilian jungle or lurking in the shadows of a bustling city, the Brazilian wandering spider is a creature that commands respect and caution. So wherever you are, always beware what might be hiding in the shadows, because you never know when you might cross paths with the world's most dangerous spider. Our journey through venomous insects and arachnids reveals a world where survival drives innovation and danger. These creatures are not villains but vital parts of nature's balance, wielding venoms that inspire both fear and scientific hope. Understanding and respecting them is key to coexistence and to unlocking the secrets they hold. Thank you for joining us. Stay curious, stay safe, and remember, sometimes the smallest creatures leave the biggest impact.